everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the 5-minute quick finisher booty with ankle weights. Let's get started. We have 5 exercises. We'll be doing 1 minute of each one, 5 minutes in total, targeting the booty. Let's go. Down on the mat. The first exercise is pointed pushbacks. Okay, are you ready? Starting in 10 seconds. We're doing 30 seconds on each side. Okay, left leg up, and there we go. "30 seconds. Squeeze your body. Keep the 90-degree angle in your knee, point your toes, and just push, push, push. And switch. Stay focused. Almost there. The next one is rainbow races. We're gonna switch the legs again. And now switch. Extend your left leg to the left corner, up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over. Squeeze your booty, especially when you lift your leg up, 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 up. And now switch the other leg and up. Almost there. The next one, we're gonna switch the legs again. We have curls, hamstring curls. And now switch, extend your leg, and now curl, extend, curl, extend. Flex your foot. Oh, we had to switch the legs. Okay, one more, and now we're doing fire hydrants. Switching legs again. Up, 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 up. And I'll switch. Keep going. We have one exercise left. It's the grasshopper. So we're going to be down on the mat. Okay, now down on your mat, make a diamond shape with your legs, and now up, 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 pulse up and squeeze, Up and squeeze. It's from the hips, up and squeeze, squeeze your booty, lift your hips up, up. Almost there. Hold, now hold. Let's hold the last 10 seconds. Hold and squeeze, knees off the mat. Squeeze your booty and hold. We can do this. Hold, hold, hold. Hold. And stretch into out pose. Nice job, everyone. This was your 5-minute quick booty finisher with ankle weights. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joana.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.